Welcome, little friends, to the most magical forest. Look at all the sparkling flowers. Here comes our friend, Lumo. He loves to explore and play in this happy place. Oh, what's this? Under the big, friendly oak tree, Lumo found a basket of glowing berries. Soon, his animal friends, a fluffy rabbit and a little bear, came to see what Lumo had found. Lumo looked at the yummy berries, then at his friends. Should he share these special treats? Yes. Lumo smiled and gave a shiny berry to his rabbit friend. Sharing is so kind. Then, he gave another bright berry to the little bear. Everyone loves to share and care. The friends cheered and danced with joy. The forest glowed even brighter with their happiness. Look at their happy faces. Sharing makes everyone feel so warm and fuzzy inside. As the sun began to set, painting the sky with golden light, the forest felt peaceful. Lumo and his friends sat together, happy and full of friendship after their wonderful day. What a lovely adventure! Remember, sharing makes every day a magical one. Goodbye, little friends.